Hello friends, if you are interested in all things makeup then subscribe me right now. Today I'm doing brown warm smoky eyes. This is going to be quite easy, I swear. Brands I'm gonna use today are all known to you. Also, I'm linking them all in the description. They are affiliated links, so if you buy from them, I'll get a little bit percentage from the companies. Let's get started. My eyeshadow base, I'm using e.l.f. This is Pigment Play Palette. This color here right on the top corner, right on the socket. Now I want to mix shades. I'll get a really warm tone from this. I'll take this strong dark color. This Pigment Play palette, this is Mayan Princess. This is awful. It has awful color payoff. So now I'll shift and I'll use Swiss Beauty. Up to the socket and blend it. Just build it up a little bit more. Smoke out under eyes too, okay? Stamp the black eyeshadow. Before I do the glitter, I'll wear my mascara. Are you a tea addict like me? Then cheers. Glitters from this pigment play palette. Oh my god, it has metallic look, it seems weight, it's awesome. You can do a dark liner or kajal and false eyelashes if you want to, but I'm leaving it here. This is the quickest smoky eye with the touch of glitter. It's easy to do, it's fast, and it will give you a gorgeous, gorgeous look. Now, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.